হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, জেই মেকানিক্যাল ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে তোমাদের সকলকে স্বাগত। আজকে আমি মেকানিক্যাল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিংয়ের উপর কিছু কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সার নিয়ে তোমাদের সাথে আলোচনা করব। আর যারা আইটিআই ফিটার ট্রেড নিয়ে পড়াশোনা করেছো তারাও এই কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সারগুলো দেখতে পারো, তাদের জন্য সমান গুরুত্বপূর্ণ। তো চলো শুরু করা যাক। ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন, লেথ বেড ইজ ইউজুয়ালি মেড অফ স্ট্রাকচারাল স্টিল, স্টেনলেস স্টিল, কাস্ট আয়রন, মাইল্ড স্টিল না নন ফেরাস মেটেরিয়াল? আনসার হবে কাস্ট আয়রন। Lathe center are provided with the following standard taper: Morse taper. Brown and sharp taper is generally used in lathe, milling machine, shapers, drills na broaching machine. Brown and sharp taper is generally used in shapers. A twist drill is specified by its shank material and diameter. The optimum lip angle of the twist drill for the work material of mild steel should be 118 degree. The usual value of helix angle of a drill is 30 degree. Kerosene is a good cutting fluid to use when drilling cast iron, mild steels, aluminium na brass? Answer aluminium. Internal or external tapers on a turret lead can be turned by taper turning attachment. Next, which of the following machine does not require quick return mechanism? Slaughter, planer, shaper na broaching na none of the above? Broaching. In blanking operation, the angle of shear is provided on die. The power is transmitted by the lead screw to the carriage through half nut. The taper usually employed in drill slips is known as Morse taper. Next, drills are usually made of high speed steel. A taper shank drill is removed from the drill spindle by drift. Reamer is held in floating chuck, mandrel, collect chuck na universal chuck? Answer of a floating chuck. No lubricant is required when cutting thread is brass or cast iron. The front rack required to machine brass by high speed steel tool is 0 degree. Laser stands for ki light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Next, tool signature is a numerical method of identification of tool. Next, the rack angle of a cutting tool determine the profit tool, prevents rubbing, decide the type of cutting action na control the chip formation? Answer hobe the rack angle of a cutting tool control the chip formation. No lubricant is required when cutting thread is brass or cast iron. The following type of file is preferred for filing brass or bronze? Answer hobe the quartz cut or rough cut file. The clean a file, it is cleaned with a file brush. A surface gauge is used for leveling the surface plate, checking the surface finish, laying out the work accurately na finding fitness of surface? A surface gauge is used for answer of a laying out the work accurately. A filler gauge is used to check radius, screw piece, surface roughness না thickness of the clearance? ফিলার গেজের কাজ হলো thickness of the clearance মাপার জন্য ব্যবহার করা হয়ে থাকে। নেক্সট, a harder materials the point angle of drill is increased, decreased না kept at 118 degree? না point angle has nothing to do with type of material na none of these? For harder materials the point angle of drill is increased. No cutting fluid is normally used while machining cast iron. High speed steel tools compared to carbon steel tools operate at 2 to 3 times higher speed. In tool signature, nose radius is indicated at the end. Next, the hardness of a grinding wheel is specified by letter of alphabet. Length of hacksaw blade is measured in between center of two holes. When the file is pushed and pulled across the work, it is called draw filing. V block is used in the workshop to check roughness of a cylindrical work. Next, the taper of internal dovetail can be measured with the help of sine bar. Plug gauges are used to check the diameter of holes in the workpiece. In equation Vt to the power n is equal to C, the value of n depends on material of workpiece, material of tool, condition of machine, working condition, na constant. N depends upon material of tool. Next, the diameter of finish turned shaft can be checked with the micrometer screw gauge. The surface plate usually made of cast iron because it provides lubrication due to graphite flakes. Which of the alloy is used for brazing? Copper alloy, silver alloy, aluminum alloy? Now any one of these. Which answer hobe any one of these. The composition of soft solder is lead 37%, tin 63%. An important parameter of specification of milling machine is size of table. A cutting tool in a milling machine is mounted on arbor. The standard milling arbor size is 25.4 mm, 27 mm, 32 mm, 31.75 mm, all of these. Feed rate in milling operation is expressed as millimeter per tooth, millimeter per rpm, na n per minute, na all of these. All of these. Hard material requires fine grit size and soft grade. Silicon steel is used for boiler plates, industrial nibs, dies, na electrical stamping. C14 steel indicates plain carbon steel containing carbon percent 1.4%. DIN specification have been developed in Germany, Russia, England, America, Austria, England. Discontinuous type chips are generally produced in cast iron. A hacksaw blade cut on forward stroke, return stroke, na both, na depends on direction of force. Hacksaw blade cut on both forward strokes and return stroke. Soft ductile materials requires quartz grit and hard grade. Which of the following is the natural abrasive? Al2O3, silicon carbide, boron carbide, na corundum? Corundum. Which of the following is the manufacturer's abrasive? Corundum, quartz, diamond, emery, na silicon carbide? Answer hobe silicon carbide. Which of the following abrasive will be used grinding ceramics and bronze value bodies? Diamond, Al2O3, silicon carbide, boron carbide? Answer hobe silicon carbide. Which of the following abrasive will be selected for grinding tools and high speed tool? Diamond, aluminum oxide, silicon carbide, না boron carbide? অ্যালুমিনিয়াম অক্সাইড। তো আজকে এই পর্যন্তই, দেখা হবে পরের ভিডিওতে। যদি তোমাদের ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই একটি লাইক করে দিও এবং চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটিকে প্রেস করে দিও যাতে পরের ভিডিওর নোটিফিকেশান তোমরা খুব সহজেই পেয়ে যেতে পারো। তো দেখা হচ্ছে পরের ভিডিওতে। থ্যাংক ইউ।